Hi, I'm here with Eva and Tom. Eva, you came up with the name for the beer, right?
Yeah, I saw it on Instagram. I filled in the Hoppy 100 years name, and actually, via a poll, I just won. It's really nice. Yeah.
And then you brewed the beer, right?
Yeah, I brewed it. Yeah, right.
Great.
Yeah.
And how did it happen? You had a long, full process of that, or just came up to you?
Yeah, I tried 4 different recipes. It's a very old recipe with a lot of different malts in it, and I think it's perfect for a day like this.
I'm standing here with Ivo, one of the crew members. You're studying here, aren't you, Ivo?
Yes, I study here. I study environmental sciences. I'm now in the 3rd year bachelor. Yeah.
Oh, great. And you are one of the more than 50 crew members?
Yeah, we're a big group here, also helping around, topping beers. So it's a lot of fun.
And what are you doing as a crew member, especially?
I'm especially selling the beers. That's the most important thing, of course.
Okay, I'll do the drinking then, yeah? Well, it's really fantastic. I think on behalf of all the crew members, I especially thank you making this possible, because we have here now a great festival.